now here in KLL Annex, and as you can see, the heat index here is quite alarming. It affects the students' learning, and the students here are experiencing 44 degrees Celsius of heat index. And with that, we have talked to one of the professors here in KLL Annex named Miss Marie Joy Torres. Good day, ma'am. We would like to ask you, what is your opinion regarding the massive increase of heat index?
Well, dangerous siya dahil ang mga estudyante ang worry ko ay mga estudyante. So, but we cannot do anything about it. So, adjust na lang ang mga bata.
Next po, ma'am. Due to the massive heat index, some students experiences signs of heat exhaustion. What do you think is the best recommendation our school must provide for students?
Maybe clinic and yung mga emergency kits for the students, yung mga halimbawa mga ice box, mga tawag mo doon, yung ice buckets, yung ice packs para mas mabigyan ng lunas, tsaka yung mga higaan para just in case may problema ay dida. And then additional electric fan, if not electric fan, air condition ng room.
And also, we have conducted an interview with one of the students here in KLL Annex named Miss Biel Michon.
You know, it's very hard to learn from this kind of environment that we're feeling, or in this kind of situation or environment. Because, you know, some students are lagi na himatay, lagi na lang takbo dito, takbo doon, lagi na lang silang, kumbaga ay hinihika, and hindi matuloy yung learning process na dapat ay nangyayari dito sa school. So, ayun, napakahirap lang ng dahil index na patuloy pa rin tayong pinapapasok ng school. Pero, we have no choice. Kasi first of all, we're upcoming teachers, right?
I am Megan Nesianes, Emblem, KLL Annex.